know you're going to Iran when you've got 11 roller suitcases. Let's go. $8 for a cart. Wow. Is one enough, bro? I'm here at Polaris Lounge and they're bringing me so much food, I don't know what to do with it.
What makes this lounge stand out is a sit-down restaurant. You have to be flying business or higher.
Another perk to fly in business class.
We're gonna have a little bit of alcohol before going to Iran because we cannot drink there. So, salamati, cheers!
Guys, this food is incredible. We've got this ahi tuna, sashimi looking sushi. We've got chicken soup, which tastes amazing. Salad, and the burger's coming out. The signature burger, all with mimosas, all included.
Picture.
Oh, wow. Are those potatoes? Yeah.
You know, how is it?
Oh, absolutely insane. It's so good. It's so good. It's just
I've never heard her use the word insane.
The food is delicious and the mimosa is kicking in. I feel really good.
Ice cream with berries and a chocolate chip Kazuki.
I bring all kinds of desserts.
I thought it was like 7-8 hours.
They know that my heart lies in the cooking. And they provided that. This has been an amazing experience. We had a great host whose mission it was to prepare us to get in the mood for our vacation.
I want you to bring all the food.
I swear this mimosa is not going down. I think it keeps refilling it when I'm not looking. The food was amazing. The experience was amazing. What a great way to start our trip to Iran. Bon voyage, Elmer.